What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody's having a great Friday. So, I just pulled a couple updates and wanted to share them with y'all. As I said the other day, I know posting results is what y'all want to see the most. So, I'm going to get back to posting more results because at the end of the day, that's what this is all about, right? Getting results, getting these negative accounts deleted, getting your credit where it needs to be so you can get approved for things like a house, a car, a loan, better credit cards, stuff like that. Um, if there's any other kind of content y'all would like to see, just let me know. Put it in the comments. I'm going to post my round 2 letter this weekend in my community. I don't post a whole lot in my community, so make sure you check my community daily. I'm going to start posting more in there as well. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope you all have a great weekend.